No. Wow. Oh.
I don't think you could tell, but the outer line right
You
here,
can tell when you look at like the back part of it.
like you could see inside of it.
Now you can.
Or like when I step on it. Wait, no, I have to be sitting on it.
Oh, now you can tell from this angle.
It's practically popping out.
I can tell from this angle.
Just from hitting a jump, but I did over jump that.
Landed, yeah.
What was it? You think 10 foot? No, high. I flew high through there. Huh?
It really wasn't that.
I think it was just all
wasn't
the
that
jumps
high.
put together.
It wasn't that high. It was that you did a wheelie, which makes your front wheel go higher than you would have. Puts your wheel here.
But that has nothing to do with.
like
That means the front tire should have popped because it came out and down harder, not the back tire.
I don't think that's what it popped from. You said it popped
from the next one.
From the
when I was going nice and slow.
from your
That's
very
weird.
last one, because you hit it on the concrete. I literally saw this is the concrete. This is the landing. Your wheel hit this. It should have been here, maybe even just a tip. You hit here, so no wonder it.
But still, that doesn't make any sense because you always. I saw him case it. Did he not case it? And his didn't pop. You remember we saw him case it?
I think it just matters on the timing.
Okay. That's loud. Tire popped. Look, all right here, back tire. Just got it too.